What in the world are we shipping today? You ask, or I ask. Look at this thing. It's a vintage record player. Look, it's even got all the speeds. Look at that thing. It's very cool. It's got AM, FM. It's got some little adjustment dials. And it's got an 8-track. What's up? Who had an 8-track out there? Pretty cool though. But yeah, it's very cool looking. I imagine the speakers are probably, in here. What really got my attention is this is from Tokyo, Japan. Old school plug. This shouldn't be too hard to pack. We will go ahead and we'll remove the legs because that would be the most problematic area, getting damaged. We'll remove the legs and we'll fill the inside, some kind of filler of some sort, whether it's soft paper, tissue, or soft wrap. We got plenty of foam wrap, believe that. Then we'll make sure we'll saran wrap this thing closed, and then we'll put hardcore styrofoam on all sides, suspend it, and put it in a custom box, and it will be on its way, safe and sound. All right, well, that's all I got for today. I will make sure to take before and after photos when it is all done. Thanks for watching.